If you're a homeowner in Conshohocken, you already know how important it is to maintain a comfortable home through the area's chilly winters and warm, humid summers. One of the most effective ways to boost comfort, reduce drafts, and cut down on rising energy bills is by upgrading to energy-efficient replacement windows. Today's window technology offers a wide range of solutions designed to enhance insulation, improve indoor comfort, and help you save money year-round. Why energy-efficient windows matter in Conshohocken. Many homes in Conshohocken, especially older properties, still have aging single-pane or poorly insulated windows. These outdated windows allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor temperatures to enter your home, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows helps reduce monthly heating and cooling costs, decrease drafts and cold spots, improve indoor comfort during extreme temperatures, minimize outside noise, increase home value, and curb appeal. For homeowners planning renovations or looking to make smart long-term investments, energy-efficient windows are one of the best improvements you can make. Top energy-efficient window options for Conshohocken homes. When choosing replacement windows, understanding the available options helps you make a confident, cost-effective decision. Here are the most popular energy-efficient window solutions recommended for homes in the Conshohocken area. Double pane and triple pane windows. Double pane windows feature 2 layers of glass with insulating gas trapped between them, while triple pane windows offer an additional layer for even better insulation. These advanced window styles significantly reduce heat transfer, making your home more energy efficient in every season. Double pane windows offer strong insulation at an affordable price. Triple pane windows are ideal for maximum energy savings and noise reduction. For homeowners near train lines, busy streets, or commercial areas, triple pane windows are especially beneficial thanks to their excellent sound blocking performance. Low emissivity glass. Low E glass includes a nearly invisible metallic coating that reflects heat without limiting natural light. This advanced coating works year-round. In winter, it reflects indoor heat back into your home. In summer, it reduces solar heat gain, helping your home stay cool naturally. Low E windows are a great option for Conshohocken homes that receive significant sunlight, helping prevent hot spots and sun-related fading on furniture and flooring. Argon or krypton gas-filled windows. Energy-efficient windows often contain insulating gases, such as argon or krypton, between the panes. These gases are denser than air, providing added insulation and helping reduce energy loss. Argon gas is affordable and offers excellent thermal performance. Krypton gas delivers superior insulation and is commonly used in ultra-efficient triple-pane windows. These gas-filled units work especially well during Conshohocken's cold winters, keeping more warm air inside your home. Energy-efficient frame materials. The material surrounding your glass also plays a major role in overall performance. Some of the best energy-efficient frame options include vinyl frames, durable, low-maintenance, and highly insulating fiberglass frames, strong, long-lasting, and resistant to warping wood frames, excellent natural insulation with a classic-look composite frames, engineered for maximum strength and thermal efficiency. Vinyl and fiberglass tend to be the most popular in Conshohocken for their combination of affordability and high performance. Choosing the right window replacement company. Selecting the right contractor is just as important as choosing the right windows. Look for a Conshohocken area window replacement company that offers energy-efficient certified products, professional installation backed by warranties, transparent pricing, and free estimates. Knowledge of local climate needs and home styles. Proper installation ensures that your new windows perform at their highest potential, preventing air leaks and maximizing energy savings. Enhance comfort and save energy in your Conshohocken home. Upgrading to energy-efficient replacement windows is one of the smartest investments you can make as a Conshohocken homeowner. From double-pane glass to low-E coatings and insulated frames, today's window options provide impressive performance designed to keep your home comfortable and efficient throughout the year. With the right products and a trusted local installer, you can enjoy lower utility bills, better indoor comfort, and a more beautiful home for years to come.